Today we're going to bring a large LED light, and this is a street light. If you guys could see, this is all the components you get. You actually get the pole. You get a pole mount in case you're going to tie it down to something pole, but you also get wood mounts, and you actually get concrete mounts too, just in case you have different options. And they give you a spare part bag. Spare parts right here. Now, the LED itself, the solar panel is wide. This is going to be a very powerful LED light. So let's turn around and see some functions. Now, you do have your sensor. This is motion sensor, and then your large LED light, completely large. It's going to fulfill the whole entire area. And we are going to put in a corner block that's really dark at night. There's no street lights, so it's a perfect place to put it at. So we're going to test it out tonight and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, here we have the light. If you guys can see it, lights up the whole area here in the back. Do have the remote. See how it shines as soon as I walk forward. Turn it off. On button, off. We got percentage. Let's put 100. 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and 4 hours, and 8 hours. And we can always hit it off. Completely off. Step back. On. Super bright light. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.